So we got a 2019 Audi A4. We're doing the cabin air filter today. It's located underneath the glove box. And you're going to need to remove this foam that's here. There's two clips that hold it in place. You can see we have one clip here, and this one's actually missing. Just end up just pulling it out. Okay. Somebody probably did a service and didn't put it back, but you need to just pull this down. You look under here, we're removing this white door that's right here. It can fight you a little bit because there's actually a clip that kind of goes underneath here. So we're just going to pull it and disconnect it here. This clip here can be kind of a pain, this one right here. So what you're going to want to do is pull it down like this and pull it towards you like that, if you can. To get it out, you can see the filter here. Turn the AC off. Okay, so there's going to be an airflow direction with these filters, and it's going to be back this way. When you get your new filter, it'll be marked on the filter. More than likely, if you're going with aftermarket filter, I'll show you with the new one. Okay, this one is mega dirty. Here's our new one. You can see it has airflow directions. That's going to be facing towards us. Now, this is what the compartment looks like. Basically, have to fold this thing and get it up in here, which I might need two hands to do. Might not. Alright, you know, got it in there. And then the door just snaps back on. This is that part that's kind of tricky. Just got to get that guy in here first. Snap this guy back on here. Kind of can't see what you're doing either. So, I'll let you got it because it makes those snappy noises. Put your phone back and you're all done. If you need a filter, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up. Let's tuck this back. Check that out. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. You guys take care, be safe.